Hello, I'm Elaine. Today, I'm going to share some fun finger play with you. Are you ready? Let's go! The first one is two little Dickie bird. Show me your Dickie bird. Are you ready? Two little Dickie birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Two little Dickie birds sitting on the wall. One named Fast, one named Slow. Fly away fast, shoom. Fly away slow. Come back fast, shoom. Come back slow. Two little Dickie birds sitting on the wall. One named Loud, one named Soft. Fly away loud. Fly away soft. Come back loud. Come back soft. The next one is the Incy Wincy spider. Show me your finger like this. And pretend like you have an Incy Wincy spider. Good. Are you ready? The Incy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Incy Wincy spider went up the spout again. Okay. Show me a turtle. Where is your turtle? Show me good and 5. Put your 5 on your good. Yes, this is your turtle. I had a little turtle. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank out all the water and ate up all the soup. And now he's home, sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Great! Let's try one more time. I had a little turtle. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water and ate up all the soup. And now he's home, sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Great! Good job! Show me your one hand. How many fingers on one hand? 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 Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 fingers on one hand. How about 2 hands? We have how many fingers on 2 hands? 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 Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! We have 10 fingers on 2 hands. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, children. Hope you have some fun in finger play. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Bye.